In the major, you learn about English and literature from different literary traditions, the role of literature in culture and society, and the central problems of human experience. Students learn to read literature and they gain reading, writing and critical thinking skills, and also speaking and discussion skills that will help them flourish in many fields. You gain practical experience through guest lectures. We have an annual Edward Said Memorial Lecture. We have a creative writers series, and also experience through masterclasses with guest writers, literary salons. We have conferences. We have a very prestigious comparative literature journal in the department, Alif, a journal of comparative poetics, and we have students who have actually trained in the journal, and they have gained so many skills that they have found to be very useful. And we have students who have graduated from the department and have worked in so many fields. We have a student who's an opera singer, and we have a student who's worked in the British Museum. We have a student who became an acclaimed Booker Prize nominated novelist. So the possibilities for students in the department are endless, and the major really helps you become very flexible and very resourceful and able to learn and apply many skills.